Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm back with another Real Cricket tutorial and we are gonna learn how you can connect or log in with Google Play or Facebook for Real Cricket. First of all, download and open up the Real Cricket game on your device, and once it loads, you'll be able to see this sign-in area. You can select Continue with Facebook or Continue with Google options under the Select a Sign-in method. Choose any one method. I'm just going to click on Login with Google option. Follow through the on-screen instructions and go ahead and click Continue on the next page, and you will then be able to see this pop up. Click the Continue button, check on the square box at the top, and then click Continue once again. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign in to Real Cricket game. Similarly, you can also log in via Facebook account. Just select Facebook and enter the Facebook account's credentials to sign in. So that is how you can sign in to Real Cricket in just a few simple steps, connecting with your Google account or with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.